part 10, we can see concurrently using same sequence by multi-users. What is the problem? It occurs whenever we are using the multi-user by the same sequence. When a sequence number is generated, the sequence is incremented independent of the transaction committing or rolling back. If two users concurrently increment the same sequence, then the sequence numbers each user occurs may have gap because sequence number are being generated by the other user. One user can never acquire the sequence number generated by another user. After a sequence value is generated by one user, that user can continue to access that value regardless of whether the sequence is incremented by other user. So this definition we implement now. So I have creating the sequence 1, start with 6, increment by 1, no catchy, maximum value 9, minimum value 6, cycle. This is my sequence. So it starts with what? 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 values it will give. Now I will copy. I'll open the user now. Now I am pasting it here. So sequence created. What I will do is I will select. I'll give sequence 1 dot next var from dual. This is my first sequence. 6 is coming. Now I will start another user. Another user I will give here. So what I will do is another user also I will give the whatever the name. Here I will have the 2 users now. So 2 users, one user is already created, another user is already here. Where is another user? Another user. I'll make smaller in size. Then only we can visible that window. So what we do is I will keep here another user. I will keep that. So what I do here, the next value is 6. The value is 6. Here I got 6 value. So I am using the 6 value. Now what I do is same sequence here. This user I am not creating any I am not creating any sequence. This user only I created sequence. Now you see I will give select, not here. Here I will go and I will say select sequence 1 dot next val from here. Here this user I am not creating what sequence. You see here 7. After 6, 7 is coming. Suppose I am coming this user. Now I am selecting the next val. You can see what is the value is coming. 8 is coming. Here if you go and see what is the value is coming, you can see 9 will come. That's what it is saying clearly, that one user can never acquire the sequence number generated by another user. Here it is coming what? Here it is coming 6. He cannot able to get 6 here. He gets 7. He never check get 7 here. In the same way he get 8, he won't get 8. So that's what. Concurrently, 2 users using the same sequence. No need to create another user for the sequence. Then what will happen is they never occur. That's what it's saying. So generated the value regardless of whether sequence is incremented by the. That is what the example we have shown now. So this is what the multi-user using concurrently the sequence. So one user increment, the gap may have gap because sequence number generated by the another user here. That's why we are getting the gap here. 6 is here, 7 is there, 8 is here, 9 is there. So this is where we are getting. Suppose I will use what? There's a cycle, So now I can see cycle 6 is coming, minimum value. Here I can go and check what cycle is coming. Here you see 7 is coming. So cycle also it is working. So both the users we are getting. This is a multi-user using concurrently the sequence number.